time for the ultimate in speed flight and the fastest animal on the planet, the Peregrine Falcon. If we can catch up with her. It's only when we get on board that we can really get a feeling for how fast she's going, even as she warms up. Swooping back and forth, attracted to bird handler Lloyd's yellow lure. Wings that are stretched to gain height one moment, the next are suddenly tucked away as the peregrine slips round in a stoop for her party piece. A 150-mile-an-hour nosedive straight at the ground. Then, seconds before impact, the wings swing out again to pull a brain-numbing 10 G's bottom turn that would cause a mere human to black out. And this is only playing. And just look how quick these wing movements really are. This time, a split-second barrel roll keeps her target in the sweet spot of her vision, without the need to turn her head. At this speed, even a head turn would send her wildly out of control. Every little nuance counts when you're on the edge of what's possible. And finally, the goshawk, the master of maneuverability, solving the ultimate challenge, flying through woodland. It feels for the air like an eagle, swings its wings like a falcon, and all the time just inches from the ground and a breath away from collision with a tree. Split-second timing, the envy of any fighter pilot. Just watch as it slips through the tiniest gap in the trees. And again. Wings in. Bank right. Left. With long tail taking over for fine control, then spread and twisted for recovery, and all in a fraction of a second. Scientists examining these images have concluded that no aircraft invented comes anywhere close.